And alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up XTM Tunnel VPN application in all countries. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. Let me start up my tutorial by opening up Google Play Store. And when you open up Google Play Store, you're going to download the application called XTM Tunnel, and then application, that one. This is the application I'm going to be setting in just a few moments, but this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. Users using this application must comply with the local laws, must read their network as service providers terms and conditions. And after reading the terms and conditions, they must be continue now to use the application. So after downloading the application, make sure to open it. This is what I'm going to be doing. After opening the application, don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment if you get any problem. You're going to join the Telegram channel, or to keep up with the important updates, join the Telegram channel. But for a moment, let us be choosing later. This is what you're going to be doing next. Enable the DNS and set it to cloud free, and then let us come right here. Then we are going to be updating our application. Let us now, we are going to be coming right here where there is update, and then after you're going to come right here where you have the auto select server, and then we are going to be choosing a server that is near to our country's location. But I do recommend my subscribers, my viewers, to choose the server that has a better performance, because this one will be optimizing. It will be looking for those servers that will be active at the moment, that will be online at the moment. So I recommend the best performance server. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Let us now come right here. We have right Wi-Fi and data, and then this is how you're going to be setting it up. So in the search bar, you are free to search your country. For example, someone can search Uganda, tricks are there. Someone can search Zimbabwe, tricks are there for Zimbabwe. And then someone can search, let me see, Pakistan. But for us in other countries, we're going to be searching UDP. But this application to work, it works in all countries, with exception to Ugandans, because Ugandans need an activated SIM card. So to activate your line, drop down your mobile number in the comment section. I'll be doing that for you for free. But other countries, let us continue. And then also let me comment on Uganda, because I had so much I had so many questions in the comment section, and I needed to explain. Airtel Uganda, you need a learn from home bundle, so make sure to purchase that one before continuing to use this application. So for us, we're going to be continuing with this UDP World Free Net, and then we're going to be connecting. You're going to come right now. Don't know what's happening with my keyboard. Now we're going to come right now where we have the start, and then we press the start, then accept the VPN service, and then always allow the, and then you're going to disable the DNS, and then it will be connected successfully. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. I sign out.